Hello friends, Techie Dialogue here. In today's video, we are showing you how to create and save a new document in Microsoft Word from scratch. Alright, let's get started. Method 1. After opening Microsoft Word for the first time, for beginners, first open Microsoft Word either by clicking its icon on the desktop or searching it from on your computer search bar. Once it launches, you will land on the Word's homepage. At the top of the home page, you will notice a handful of ready-made templates to choose from. If you want to see more options, just click more templates over on the right. But if you would rather start completely from scratch, click blank document on the left and a fresh empty page will open right away. To save it, click file in the top left corner, then select save as. From there, click browse, pick a location on your computer, give it a file name, let's say new, and click save. That's your document safely stored. Method 2. While working on an existing document, now let's say you are already deep into document and want to open up a brand new alongside it. Start by saving your current work. Just click the save button in the top left corner so nothing gets lost. Next, click the file in the top left corner, head to the home menu and select blank document, and that's it. A new blank document opens up instantly. Your previous file stays open in the background the whole time, so you can either close it or keep both open side by side, whichever works best for you. Finally save your new document to exact same way as before, click file, select save as, then click browse, type your file name and hit save. And that's really there is to creating a new document in Microsoft Word, whether you are starting fresh or juggling multiple files at once. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.